This is the AB-4, which converts the two mini XLRs on the C70 and C80 into full-size XLR. To remove the connector, you only have to push the input 1 release button here and then wiggle this until it comes out. The input 2 does not have the same retention design built into it. What we've noticed on the more recent C80s, though, is that this can be a little bit tough to remove, and it seems like one of the mini XLRs is slightly skewed compared to the earlier versions and all of the C70s. So to remove this, you can use a plastic spudger tool, which is common for electronics repair, and then go in underneath the mic cover here. You'll still want to push the release for input 1 down, and you can just gently pry this back and forth until it starts wiggling its way out, at which point you can just grab it with your fingers.